Alright guys, welcome to another Keeper It YouTube episode. My name's Jason and today we got Dan
Radley.
Something
like that.
Ex Keep It Reet fan.
He's kicked me off. No, I got a sticker again.
You kicked me off.
Yeah, yeah, true.
Team. Actually, the team is broken. It's like Backstreet Boys.
When I say
number 4,
I want it that way.
Tell me why.
Game over. We both have matching
We're
liveries.
like Fleetwood Mac now.
So Dan has just freshly wrapped that ass in some new things and it looks spicy, so I figured we'd capture it before he destroys it.
This is the best it will ever look. So.
Ever.
Yeah,
because at least guaranteed one little scratch today.
yeah, you might as well. You might as well do the first one.
Yes.
Get out there early.
But yeah, do you want to tell us a little bit about yourself and then we'll go into the car?
I don't know, I've been on and off drifting for a while and I sort of got back into it because of you guys. So my first track day back after taking like 4 years off for no reason was Keep It Reet when we used to do the sausage sizzle on like Tuesday.
Yes,
That
when
was
we
good.
first started.
That was this car, but it was not like this.
You came
And
for
then-
the sausage,
Yeah,
stayed for the draft.
100%. And then pretty much done every one of your days since then. I don't know, it's been a bite, it's been good.
Been pretty
I
chill.
got into competition last year a little bit, did all right.
Yeah, you did
Didn't
do
too
it,
bad,
actually.
even though I was mass nervous every event.
Yeah,
These
no.
events I don't get stressed, but man.
Yeah, you did kill it actually.
Hated
You
it.
started, first year in...
I didn't do the first round, and then
Yeah.
I got second in the AM championship.
Yeah, nailed it. And then actually did you do the last 2 pro
Yeah.
as well?
I think I got 5th or 6th in pro in the
This
last
car has been through some shat.
one. I did 4 cylinder heads last year though. so
Yeah,
we had
the
some
heads
problems.
come off a couple of times.
That's why cylinder head sponsor now.
Gang.
Probably paid for too many heads. But yeah, so we did a door and a tail light and a boot lid and then a whole body kit and a new wrap. About it.
Now it's Chang.
Yeah, and mechanically it's actually been really good. It hasn't done anything stupid.
It's not
Last
wood,
Friday night
that's
drift was fine.
fiberglass.
Yeah,
It's not wood.
well, it works. It's carbon actually. Yeah, last Friday night drift was fine and drifted that day was alright.
Should be 8.
Watch it break tonight, who knows?
So let's go over this car a little bit. Fuck. Oh, Jassy.
Hey, where's your car?
What? There's a lemon.
Yeah, it's literally a big banana.
It's so yellow.
Yeah, it's good.
Let's pop this bonnet because everyone wants to see the goods. So first of all, if you don't know what you're looking at right here, we've got an R32 sedan, much like our pink stanky one that needs a
Pink
refresh.
one's Kang, I love that one. So it's obviously LS1.
SR20 as well.
Could you tell me right quick what would be a better motor for my Skyline, a Gallo 12 or a Gallo 24?
24.
Nice, this is RB25 now. It's obviously forged pistons, rods, all that crap. No cams, valve springs, it's dry sumped. It's
shit
also
going on
running nitrous for response down low if we want it. Probably won't be using it tonight, but that's what the little
What's this?
purge, you know, full Fast and Furious, all that stuff. That's pretty much all it's used for, to be honest.
There isn't any reason behind the purge.
It
not like
brings,
getting
the,
any
no, it
air
brings
out,
the nitrous
something
from the
weird.
bottle to there, but you could just use it once and it would do that anyway.
Yeah, okay.
It was like $400 something just to make it go, but it's Kang.
Worth it.
Best thing ever.
Yeah, definitely would do it.
Yeah, Hypergear Turbo, I think ATR 43.
Yep,
This
the
has-
same as all the Reet fleets.
Yeah, same
I
as what
think.
you're running.
Yep.
They're pretty well researched on these motors, they work good.
Looks like a little bit bigger rear housing. Could be
I
right.
don't know, he sends like 20 numbers when he sends one. I have
Yeah, you
no
just
idea.
can't know.
It's like a SSSSS7, like whatever.
Good turbo, 6 boost Manny.
Nah, this is Speedtech manifold now.
Oh, Speedtech.
Was a 6 boost for like 4 years. Speedtech inlet as well, because I went to 25 head. This was RB26 for probably the last 4 years. RB26 head, but I broke one and I couldn't get another one. They don't exist anymore.
Yeah, there you go.
So just 25 hydraulic VCT, all that normal stuff.
This thing does sound very crispy now, I should say.
Yeah.
But you have done a fresh exhaust. You did have a side pipe.
I had a side pipe and it broke every event. Terrible. Don't recommend that.
Was a
And-
bit drony in the car too.
Yeah, it was crap.
Not
And
gonna
now it's literally just 3-inch, no mufflers with a flex joint all the way out the back and 4-inch rear.
Yes.
But it sounds much better now, I think.
And Stank, our bonnet pipe.
Stank,
for
50
Kang
mil
flames.
screamer. Yep.
Yes.
Yeah, the limiter, he turned it off ignition cut because he's mean.
Oh,
Turned it
no.
back on. So
Oh,
now I shoot
no.
Kang flames again on Limby Lane. So yeah, should be good. And then on that, Speedtech gearbox. Standard diff and axle, still R200 welded.
Yes.
Shockworks coilovers, got a Costal knuckles in the front now. Pretty standard rear, with just GK Tech arms and stuff, nothing really crazy.
So it's pretty much almost identical
It's very similar to
to,
the 33.
the 33 setup, or and a bit of a mix and match from some of the other Reet cars.
Yeah.
But you have done the
This is McPherson Strut S15 front end.
S15, yeah.
So obviously they should have the big, heavy, clunky twin wishbone, and this is, yeah, McPherson.
I did drive it last Battle Royale round, and it felt very, very similar Felt very nice. I think we forgot what powers and boosts and all that thing.
It's on 28 pound, making 430 something, but it was wheel spinning. I don't know, 400 and something with the tss, and the
Which is extra fitty. So at least 450.
yeah, something like that. But other than that, nothing really much to it now. It doesn't have crash bars because I did a terrible job making them and then I had to cut the bar up. So hopefully we don't hit the wall this event because Grubby from 21 Fab, who knows what he's doing, is going to make them behind the bumper, front and rear.
All right. And let's go into interior things. What have we got there, son?
We have actually an S15 dash, which is a bit weird. Big roll cage, nothing much really. There's a Haltech dash, the Haltech's there, billet shifter, big handbrake. In the back, there is the dry sump tank, the nitrous bottle, and the bottle heater. Battery, the water tanks for the water sprayers because it likes running hot all the time. I don't know why. The fuel system's really hard to show, but it's just fuel pumps.
No one cares. All the same shit.
Just Google it. Other than that, not much. But hopefully Jason doesn't like today. That's my new door too.
If we do one lap together, it's guaranteed there'll be something going on.
That's my new door too.
It's a nice little bright little bit there.
Yeah.
Ready for a little
tire up. Tire up would be fine. I can handle that. I can handle a tire up.
Yeah.
Just not like the full.
Yeah, the Cam Martin.
Yeah, the Cam Martin smash.
So tell us a little bit about yourself. You've obviously got a big name on the side here.
Yeah, that's my other little business for just doing little fab and stuff away from my Rapid that I have as a franchise for just normal servicing. So, yeah, been doing this for like a year now. It's been all right.
That's good.
Yeah, and I've owned a workshop for probably 6-7 years now. Been a mechanic forever. Sort of just built this for fun. I made it way too complicated though, and I'm happy to admit it. It's had a lot of problems. People will be happy to hear that. Definitely, I've gone back now, it's all right. The lifted cylinder heads, because I took the standard water pump off and put an electric one on.
You're getting there, you live and you learn.
Yeah, I've learned to just do it the normal way.
Yeah.
Works good, so been good. Hopefully it'll be right. We'll do some pro ride passenger laps, it'll be
Yes,
fun. They're my favourite, taking out people who haven't done it yet. It's good,
Okay.
it's good fun.
So, how about yourself? How long have you been driving? How'd you get into draft?
I got into drifting. I used to drive on the street a little bit when I was like younger. And then,
What?
Yeah.
Can't believe it.
Nah, who would have thought?
Come on, mate.
And then I bought a 33 Skyline with a cage and stuff probably years ago, but I was an apprentice, I had like no money, and then it did all its bearings and blew up. And then I pulled it apart and just didn't do anything with it, I couldn't afford it. So then I stopped drifting, and then I bought this car because it was cheap. This was only 3.5 grand, I think. Like mostly complete, believe it or not. I paid $680 for a taillight the other day. Anyway, but I bought that, and then Jason was doing like normal chilled drift days that didn't scare the hell out of me, so I came down and did one of them, and then it was done for. As soon as I did one, I put a cage in it and went ham. And then
And
it's
one
just
forward
progressed.
now we do like the scariest events possible.
Yeah, nah, it's sweet.
2,000 plus people and walls under lights, so there's not much light.
But yeah, it used to just be like Tuesday lunchtime, about 10 people.
Yeah.
It's good.
Yeah.
But yeah, I got back into that. But I've probably been driving on the track for, say, like 5 years, 6 years combined.
Ish.
Probably done 4 years straight though recently in this car.
What's plans this year?
I don't know, I've been really iffy about whether I want to compete, but I think I will. I want to do, I think the Keep It Red series obviously, and all the Friday night drifts. And I do want to get to South Australia. I don't think I'll go as far as Queensland, it's pretty far away, but SA is doable, I can do that.
Yeah, SA is definitely doable.
And from what I've heard, I think the Bend's awesome.
It's well worth going to
Yeah.
check out that track. 100%.
And I would really like to go out to Pheasantwood one day, but I don't know if that's going to happen.
Yeah,
so that was like
hopefully.
best event ever. That was sick.
Yeah, it
that was
was
like one of the best weekends I've ever had drifting. So, but yeah, I'd definitely get to SA, either a comp or I don't care, in any form.
Yeah.
And get my girlfriend out there. She's doing drift school.
Oh yeah,
She's doing drift school on the 20th, so in the AU.
that's right. So he's,
Yeah, Michelle's
he's on
done
the AU train as well. Had a couple of AUs in
absolutely
his
love
time.
them. Love them. It's like I cannot stress it
Done
enough
some
while owning this.
full stanky mods on the AUs.
Yeah.
You've done the ghetto turbs. You've done the.
I've done the turbo, I've done gas turbo, I've done all sorts of shat stuff. That white one though is like best thing ever. Shout out AG for having a moment and selling it. It's amazing. But yeah, they're like, if you're going to get into drifting, cannot beat it.
Okay, so
Yeah.
we'll get some footage of you today. I reckon blazing.
Should sound spicy, I think.
Yeah,
I haven't
definitely
actually
does.
really driven it at all since with the exhaust on. I've only put it on the truck. I only did it 2 days ago, so
Okay.
I think it'll sound canny. This thing always sounds good.
Should be okay.
That'll be canny. It'll be eight.
Yeah, it should be okay. Keep it up. Get it.
Done.
You do what you want when you hot. I still good, but lines are slick. Get them on the regular like which one hits. Man, on the regular don't sound like this, but it still hits. I don't miss. I just go, go, go. Nigga, go, go, flow. I'm almost done. I close your soul when I throw these flows. Like stroke shampoo when I ain't too dope. See, Joe Schmo goes. I'm not in the middle when I'm hot. When I'm middle, I got this middle when I stop. When I'm moving, I got this mission. You not gonna always on top. But this is what's up. This is the time I'm on my grind. That is all the time. I do not do breaks. That's right, I stay in dry. And look, I'm back with a little bit of that. A little more cash and clean away. Ready that cat is out that bad, but I still ask you, I got skills. I don't need help, I don't need help, I don't need help with me. I got this. I can sing songs, I can spit raps, I can do both, even do this. Word. This how I go, you pop. This how be on me and that's true, but I'ma go finish on top. You get what you want when you pop it. You do what you want when you hot. This how I go when you pop it. This how I go when you hot. Funny how now when I drop it.
You jinxed me.
You jinxed
me. Yeah.
So Dan really did some blazing during the daytime.
Good laps. Yeah.
Did you get any night driving?
Nah. Headlights were not turned on tonight.
Not ideal.
So yeah, it was actually
It's out of Kang while it's out.
No, it was amazing, and then it was.
So tell us what happened.
It was amazing. It was running good, and now it's done another head apparently. But first one this year.
Yeah.
It is January, but hasn't done a head this year. They did 4 last year, but I don't know anymore.
God damn.
I think maybe as much as I'm about as bad a mechanic as this bag is.
Oh, no.
I'm gonna 1J swap it now, I think. I don't know.
Yeah, I reckon.
Because that thing doesn't work.
1J, Barra, LS. I hate RBs.
Oh,
I feel like you hate RBs more than me. But
yeah, dude.
It's one of those things you like commit. And you have to commit for life because you start buying all this shit.
Stuck now, yeah.
And you're already too deep. You're like, I can't change
now. If I put an LS in it now, I'm in the hole for
All
nothing.
bin.
No, we'll
You get like
figure it out.
$50 back. For
I'll
all
let
the
everyone
parts.
know why it did it, but I actually don't know. I've been a mechanic a long time and I couldn't tell you. But no, it ain't that. But it was, they were good laps. I got like 10 pro rides in, they were fun.
Yeah.
So.
Well, I hope you can get it sorted for Battle Royale, maybe, hopefully. See what
If
happens.
I don't, I'll do comp try.
He's also notorious for the Kang. Does full day of mechanics and then full night of mechanic.
Yeah. I'm probably running Monday Arvo, to be honest.
Yeah.
Right now, I am not in the mood.
I feel like you're like 15-minute job now getting the head off.
It's like
you're like wing nuts and
it's
shit.
half
now.
an hour engine out. Yeah.
Quick release, just strap to the
just
side,
like just
like an esky.
yeah, literally. But right now I'm very angry at it. But then tomorrow I'll be like, it's Kang. I'll fix it.
Yeah, you're like,
I'll
that
fix
looks
it.
Kang.
Yeah, I'll
Needs some run
mid
Kang.
next week. I'll back together. I'll be right.
Well, let's stand
But the car's good. It sounds good. It runs good. It's competitive. It'll be fun.
Yeah, should be right.
The dang head gasket needs to stay in, but I'm pretty confused now. So
Make sure you take some video so we can put it in there of you pulling the head off and what happened.
It's broken as hell. And if not, I'm gonna paint the AU to look like this and put the wing on it, and I'll do round 1 of the AU. Ooh. But hopefully not. But
Well,
also
you'll keep it
hopefully, the AU's Kang. I love it. So good.
You do drive hard in the AU.
Yeah, I love it.
Oh, that's it for Dan Radley's R32
Time to go.
sedan.
Not bad.
1 like for 1 head gasket.
Yeah, so-
and subscribe for perfect head for next time.
Subscribe for mass depression. That's what I'm thinking. That's all right.
Oh, cheers, Gary.
Now when I drop it, none of the numbers gonna drop. She be on me and it's true, but I'm gonna go finish from top.
Do you want this bag back, man? It's hurting my neck. This thing sucks. What do you got in it? Bloody lead. Got fishing sinkers in there, man. It's heavy as. Or just too much cash.
You do what you want when you hot.